Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 23 nautical miles east of Highway 331 Bridge to 8 nautical miles northwest of Panama City Beach, moving northwest at 25 knots. A gust front has moved ahead of the main line and is capable of producing strong wind gusts ahead of any storms. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, Highway 331 Bridge, Shalimar, Fort Walton, Liberty Ship Reef, Destin, East Pass at Destin, Okaloosa Pier and Lake Bay Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. This is NOAA Weather Radio.